A few years ago, I showed you how to clean Blueair air filters for Blueair air purifiers. And today I'm going to show you how to clean this exact same air filter set again. And I've done it about 10 times. And as you can see, there's a bunch of gunk in there, as usual. And it wants to come out. And all you need is a wet dry vac, and I've got a nice new DeWalt air wet dry vac, and you turn it on like that,
and you blast it out like that. You can blast it from both sides. And get every bit of dust out of there. Let's do it again. Got things to do today. Takes about that long. You can get it about as good as you want to get it. As soon as no dust is coming out of it. Let's do another one. Woo, woo. Definitely good to do this outside.
With all the money you save from not having to buy Blueair filters anymore, you can go to brettsnaturalhealth.com and buy yourself an amazing millet hull pillow. They're 100% organic, they're more comfortable than any foam or feathers that you've ever slept on, and they come in all kinds of beautiful colors, and you will sleep so much better than some other fake pillow made out of petroleum products that outgasses chemicals. For God's sake, start thinking about your health. And also, you can get amazing foot massage tools, back rollers, all kinds of cool massage tools at Brett's Natural Health. Not to mention custom orthotics for your shoes that give you good support when you walk. Just think of all the great things that you can buy at Brett's Natural Health now that you're saving on air filters. Links in description box below.
On a nice windy day. Hey, let's blast these charcoal filters out too. I doubt they have any more absorbent ability, but let's do it anyway. Alright, there we go. Okay, and now, let's see if we can blast this air cleaner purifier. I don't really feel like taking it apart today. That's kind of good.
So, you know, it's entirely possible that these filters have lost like maybe 0.5% of their filtering ability or something. Like, I'm really worried about that, okay? There's no such thing as perfect filtering. The air sometimes, I mean, the air all the time can get around the edges of the filters, and if that air gets around the edges of the filters, it's not filtering perfectly. Well, guess what? We're not worried about perfect in this world. We live in a world where the Russians might blow us all up tomorrow. We live in a world where a train might explode, okay? So it's an insane effing world, and if you can still get 99% plus filtering ability out of an old set of filters and use them dozens and dozens of times over, you just keep blowing them out, then you're not worried about any of that. They still work 99+% as good as they did when they were new. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Look at this beautiful day. I can't complain here in the mountains of North Carolina on a day like this. The sun is still shining. My old car is still driving. And my filters are still filtering, my friends, because they just got blasted out. With my new DeWalt, I highly recommend these. This is this is so much better than that piece of junk that I bought from Lowe's, the Lowe's brand. DeWalt, baby. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. Bye.